Welcome back to Levels in Check. I'm Ray, and today I want to take you back to school for a quick biology lesson. Don't worry, no boring textbooks, no scary exams. Just a simple explanation of something that is at the heart of all our conversations at Levels in Check: glucose. We hear about it all the time: glucose test, glucose spikes, glucose level. But what actually is glucose? How does it work in our body? And why does it matter so much when we talk about diabetes and our health? That's what we are going to break down today in simplest way possible. So, what is glucose? Glucose is basically sugar, not the kind you put in your chai, but the natural sugar your body uses as fuel. Think of glucose as petrol for your body. Every time you eat carbs, rice, roti, bread, fruits, your body breaks it down into glucose. This glucose travels through your blood looking for places where it is needed. Without glucose, your body would shut down. It's your main source of energy. Just like your phone needs charging every day, your body needs glucose just to keep going. Now, here is when things get interesting. Glucose is in your blood. But how does it actually get into your cell so that it can be used? That's where insulin comes in. Insulin is like the key that unlocks the door to your cell. Imagine your body as a city and glucose is the food delivery. Insulin is the delivery guy with the key to open your house and drop the food inside. If everything works well, glucose gets in, your body gets the energy, and you feel good. If something goes wrong, like in diabetes, glucose is left knocking at the door, stuck in the blood, and your cell stays hungry. Now, you must be wondering what happens when glucose goes wrong. This is where the problem begins. If you have too much glucose in your blood, it's like spilling syrup everywhere: sticky, messy, damaging over time. In prediabetes, your body is struggling to keep things in balance. In diabetes, either your body stops making insulin or your cells stop responding to it. That's when glucose piles up in your blood. And instead of fueling your body, it starts damaging your blood vessels, nerves, and organs. It's like petrol overflowing from the tank of your scooter. Instead of powering the engine, it spills everywhere, wasting fuel and damaging the paint. That's high blood sugar. Now, why glucose balance matters? The real secret isn't about cutting all the sugars and carbs. It's about balance. When your glucose level rise or fall smoothly, you feel steady, good energy, good focus and good mood. But if they spike and crash, you get tired, cranky, hungry, and over time your health starts to decline. And that's why simple habits matter so much: eating balanced meal with protein and fiber, moving after meal, and not drinking sugary drinks, and sleeping well. Glucose is not the enemy. It's actually your body's best friend, but only if you manage it right. So, that's your simple biology lesson for today. Glucose is just your body's fuel. Insulin is the key that helps it gets into the cells. And when things go wrong, that's when we see prediabetes and diabetes. If you keep your glucose steady, you will feel the difference in your energy, mood, and your long term health. In the next episode, we will talk about hacks and habits to control glucose spike in everyday life. This is Levels in Check, and I am Ray, and I'll see you in the next one.